Your Windows PC is slow, lagging, and suddenly weak in performance. Allow me to show you how to fix this issue with Microsoft PC Manager. You see, there are many PC optimizers out there, but this one is 100% safe. It's lightweight, easy to use. The best part, it's absolutely free. Watch this video until the end, as I will also leave you a vital tip on how to protect your data. Let's go. Now we begin with the installation. Head on to your Microsoft Store. Search for Microsoft PC Manager. There we have it. Click on that. Then click Install. Choose Yes if you get any notification. Click Open. To launch this application every time you need it, it's going to be here in the system tray. If you want to get access to it easily, you can just pin it right here to your taskbar. And even when you close it, you can easily get access to it. So if you look on the left side here, we have all the useful tools on the left panel. Now I'm going to show you three major tools here. Starting with the apps, click on apps, click on process management, expand it. And here is the list of apps that are running in the background. Okay, so you can take the load of your RAM by ending some of these processes. Look for some applications that are not really in use and end the process. For example, I'm going to end this one. Just click on end again, and that is it. Don't end the process for your computer brand and anything that has to do with your computer operating system. I'm going to end this one as well. Click on that and choose end. End the process for any application that you think should not be running in the background. So that is it about that. I'm going to go back here, click on Deep Uninstall. Here you'll find all the applications that are currently installed in your computer. So take your time, go through this list and uninstall any application that you don't need. Be careful not to uninstall anything that has to do with Microsoft or your computer brand. So for example, if I want to remove this one, I don't need this application. Just click on this icon, then choose uninstall. That is it. Now this deep uninstall removes the application. At the same time, it's going to clear off all leftovers. So we're done with the apps. Go to storage. So here under the disk analysis, the first thing we can do is to run a scan. Click on this to scan it. Now it's going to scan your entire system for leftover files, system files, and other traces that you can remove and clear up some space. Look at that. I have a total of 26.1 GB items detected for cleanup. Now, first thing we can do is to look through the items that we have to delete, and you don't have to worry about it. Everything here are leftover files. If you want to exclude any of these, you can uncheck it. I have more items in the recycle bin actually. You have to decide, do you actually want to delete the items in the recycle bin? Because once you do this, you cannot go back from there. I am certain that I want to delete everything. I'm just going to check on this one. And if you go on to these other application items, now if I check on this, we have 1.1 GB of leftover files from all this application. So now I'm going to go ahead and get rid of everything by clicking on proceed. Now it's going to take some time to do the cleaning. Now it says 2 apps are in use, so you can close and clear. Close app. I can do the same for this. Close the application. Okay, now all the leftovers are cleared. Click done. So here we have the downloaded files. I don't want to go through this one. I recommend you go through the downloads manually to see which file you don't need anymore, then delete them one after the other. I think that is a better way to do it. Now onto the storage sense. If you click on that, you'll be redirected to your storage. Okay, so first of all, you have to ensure this is enabled. Automatic user content cleanup. Under the run storage sense, you can change it to every week or every month. So I prefer to leave it this way on every week. And this one says delete files in my recycle bin. Mine is set to 30 days. I recommend you set it to 30 or 60. I don't recommend leaving it on a day or 14 days, just in case you want to get back some deleted files. I think 30 days is good enough. And this one says delete files in my downloads folder if they haven't been opened for more than. I chose never because I prefer to delete my files manually. If you must go with the numbers, I highly recommend you go for 30 days or 60 days, or choose never if you want to do it yourself. And that is it about that. So I'm going to X on this and go back to the Microsoft PC Manager. Now we're going to head on to the most important part, which is the protection. The first thing I like to do under the protection is the network check. So I'm going to click on this one starting from the bottom. So once you open that, it's going to automatically scan for any network issue and get it rectified immediately. As we can see here, it says my connection is normal, means I'm good and there is no issue whatsoever. So I'm going to head on back. Next is the pop-up management. Click on that. You can enable pop-up block by clicking on this toggle. So this feature is going to block any unwanted pop-up or advert, and that ultimately will help with the lagging. Now we're going to head on back. Now we'll go on to Windows Update. My Windows is up to date. Now here we have other updates like drivers. So if you want to update your drivers, you can just check on this and click on Update. Now it says no update found, which means I'm good. Like I said before, I just ran my Windows update. So in your case, you can go ahead and allow every available update. I'm going to head on back. Now it's time for the virus and threat protection. Malware and viruses are the major reasons why PCs get slow and lagging. Now we're going to scan for potential virus or malware presence. Click on Scan. It's going to redirect you to this virus and threat protection. All you have to do is to wait for the scanning process to be completed. If you think your computer is infected with malware or virus, the quick scan is not that effective. You can go to Scan Options and choose the full scan. This is going to take some time, but it's worth it. You can actually go for full scan or go for the offline scan for a thorough scan of your computer system. Choose that and click on Scan Now. I'm not going to go much into this right now, so I'm going to X on this. Now, at this point, you should notice that your PC is cleaner, faster, and running better. But there is something most people completely ignore. Cleaning your PC doesn't protect what you do online. There is a high chance your data are still exposed. That is why you need a VPN. This VPN helps to hide your IP address, encrypt your internet connection, protect you on public Wi-Fi, and allows you to gain access to some websites that are restricted by your region. Those who are unable to watch some shows on Netflix because they live in a certain country can relate to this. VPN is key. NordVPN is the key. Now think of it like this. PC Manager cleans your house. NordVPN locks your doors. Disclaimer, this is not a paid advert. It's me enlightening you about one of the best and most popular VPN services worldwide. So click the link in the description if you wish to take advantage of the available offers. Now back to PC Manager. Finally, click on this Home, click on this Boost. Just click on that. Now it's going to automatically boost your PC speed and remove all temporary files. Go to Settings. Under the Performance Settings, enable all three. Enable this one, enable and enable. First one is the Smart Boost setting. Microsoft PC Manager will automatically boost your PC when high usage of RAM or there are 1 GB of temporary files. The next one, it says application usage duration. Once enabled, you can view apps types and usage trends in health check to keep your PC healthy and efficient. This one says start Microsoft PC Manager automatically when I sign into Windows. All these three settings are important. Another thing you can do, go to the health check and it's going to start scanning automatically. It's going to check your network, restore default items, space cleanup. This is more like an advanced scan, so expect it to take some time. The green ones down here says normal. All these ones are excellent. There's no issue right here. I'm going to check on this one and now we're going to sort these two out. Just click on Optimize Now. PC status is excellent. That's a wrap. And we're going to close on this one. So that's going to be all for now, guys. If you like what I'm doing here, subscribe to this channel, leave this video a like, and let me know your thoughts at the comment section. Have a nice day. Peace out.